morning, guys.
So good morning.
Good morning, Rajiv ji.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Rajiv ji.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. तो कैसा लग रहा है मार्केट आज?
सर बुलिश ही लग रहा है, हालांकि स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस है इस जोन में 800, 17,800, 17,900 के जोन में।
राइट।
बट ओवरऑल ट्रेंड अप लग रहा है।
निफ्टी में रेजिस्टेंस है अराउंड 17,830 के आसपास। तो अगर ये इसको क्लोज करता है ऊपर तो हम लोग देख सकते हैं इसमें थोड़ा और एक सस्टेनेबल रैली ऊपर की तरफ। निफ्टी एक रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है, लाइक रेजिस्टेंस के आसपास ही ट्रेड कर रहा है। तो जब तक नया एक हाई नहीं बनाता तब तक थोड़ा सा लाइक एक रेंज में रहेगा। So let's look at the OI data. So OI data indicates like bullish trend in Nifty and neutral in Bank Nifty. You can see long build up on the call side and short build up on the put side. That means like trend is like bullish. So when trend is bullish, we sell call. Sorry, we sell put. And to choose the strike, we use PCR. So based on the PCR, first support is in like 100 strikes is at 17,600, which is carrying around 5.71 PCR. And second support is at 17,500. So we sell second support. So like 17,500 should be our strike for selling today in Nifty. So let's check the price. 17,550, 37, trading at 37. And like Nifty is also trading above VWAP, or you can say around VWAP. So we can like initiate this trade. So we can sell 17,500. So we have sold like 17,500 call option. Sorry, put option, 17,500 put option, because trend is bullish. And trend is neutral in Bank Nifty, so we can use the same like PCR to choose our strike. In Nifty, we are keeping like 100 points difference. So, but in Bank Nifty, we are keeping like 200 points different. Let's say first support, like first support is around 41,100. Like PCR is 3.47. So like we sell 20, like 200 point difference. So the second is 40,900. So instead of selling 40,900, we want to keep like little more safer. So we can sell 40,700 today, which is like PCR is above 10. So it's a like huge support. So instead of selling 40,900, we will sell 40,700 put option, and same we can like sell. So the first resistance is this, second, third, and fourth. So we can sell. So we can sell like 40,000, 41,700, or like little more safer, we can sell 41,800. So for Bank Nifty, we will create a like a triangle. Where we are selling 40,700 put option and 41,800 call option. So 10 lot each. तो बैंक निफ्टी में हमने स्ट्रेंगल क्रिएट किया है 41,800 एंड 40,700 के साथ, और निफ्टी में हमने 17,500 की पुट सेल की है. Now we will follow this like trend indicator sheet, and like whatever will be the like support and resistance, if there is any change in the data, we will adjust the positions. So I hope you got the logic, and if you have any query, you can ask. Like
Sarfil sir, any stop loss you are keeping for Nifty?
no, I'm not keeping any stop loss. So normally we are targeting for 20 rupees, like target is 20 rupees. So normally I am following 20 rupees stop loss, like in my mind. So like if loss is more than 20 rupees, so like I will either adjust my position or I will spare off the position if data is changing. Like, so I prefer to lose like 20 rupees profit and 20 rupees target. Like this is the concept. Like
Okay. Plus, as it's Friday, theta decay will be less. So if there is a directional movement, your MTM will be in loss very soon. That's why I asked.
no, actually we are playing with the direction only. No, we are not playing with the theta.
Yeah, but in case if there is a crash now, if market falls 100 and 200 points in Nifty, then your put will be in danger. So I asked.
We are keeping like 20 rupees for like 20 rupees, because look you can check the like delta also, like delta. What is the delta at 17,500? So like we will not wait Nifty like till 17,500. Obviously, right now it's trading at 17,800. So as soon as like if we get like 50, 60 point like decline or 100-point decline in Nifty, so we will start tracking this position like okay, like we are selling 17,500, but we are not like waiting for like Nifty to touch the 17,500. So if we see like there is a sharp decline in Nifty, we can close the strategy at 20 rupees loss, like, or we can like follow this data. If data is not changing, many times you can see like you will get a sharp decline, but data is not changing. So if data is not changing, that means that this fall is this is like false breakdown. Like many times you will see like Nifty will like break the support and then it recover like. So data is like telling you everything. Like if like let's say first your first support is 70,600. So if 70,600 is not breaking, it will not it will not going to hit the 17,500.
Okay.
So we are selling this, but we are tracking these strikes like 17,700 to 17,600. So we will follow this data, like if there is any change in this data or not. Because this EOI is like support. तो अगर निफ्टी को नीचे जाना है तो उसको इन सपोर्ट को तोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. Understood?
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you.
That's why we are selling a second, like we are selling like second support, because like these strike are more like active compared to this.
So what about positional trades, sir? Like you used to take this MIS strategies that you are taking this expiry.
We will analyze the trade. We can check few stocks, and based
Okay.
on those stocks, we can initiate the strategy. Like we will initiate the strategy today also.
So last expiry you made profit, sir, in that? I think you took ICICI and
In Tata Motors,
Tata
we
Motors.
booked profit, and ICICI we closed like nominal. Let me share last strategies also. So we booked small loss in ICICI Bank, MIS, and profit in like Tata Motors, MIS.
Oh, 63, sir, for one lot.
I am selling four lots, like four
Ah.
lots. Like I'm selling 4 lot in Tata Motors and 4 lot in ICICI Bank also. Like
So how much was the loss in ICICI?
ICICI is like around 55.
Sir, but there was a
5,500.
movement, ICICI Bank gave a bullish movement, no? But still, why you had to book a loss, sir?
Actually, I closed it at like uh, tomorrow morning and at 9:30, like around I close that trade. Otherwise, we will like be in little profit.
Because see, if you see the
later,
future, you have made 3.94, right? So
right?
in spite of that movement, we booked a loss, right?
We booked a loss. Like it's a delta neutral strategy actually. So you are not getting profit from the moment. You are getting profit from the theta decay. But if there is any wild swing, like if there is wild swing, this type of movement, then you will lose money. If there is a one-sided movement, like if there is a one-sided movement, you will make like good money. But if there is a wild movement, like it goes up and it goes down, again it goes up and down. This in this type of moment you will lose money in this strategy.
Okay.
So the main point is you have to keep your delta neutral. If you are keeping your delta neutral, that you will not lose anything. Like but when there is like uh, so many adjustments, then you will like you will lose money. But if you are losing any like loss is very nominal in this strategy. If any month you are in a loss, the loss will be very low. Like So these are the trades for today, and now we can scan few stocks and we can create the MIS for November month. So let's look at the Tata Motors chart. We can create the strategy same month also. Like Tata Motors is trading in the range only. So we can initiate a strategy in Tata Motors also. Let's look at the option chain also. I hope you all know the the rules of MIS.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 4 to 5% strike, 20, 4, 10, 30, 2. So premium is also like above 2%. 430, 8 rupees, and premium is like 430 is around 10 rupees. So we can initiate MIS in Tata Motors all again this month also. So for MIS, let's create the strategy. So for MIS, we are buying one future. So you can see delta is neutral here. Downside risk is around 14,000, and like max profit is around 35,000. So you can create this strategy. Let's say what we are getting at minus 20. Okay, so liquidity is not a problem. 400, so we can sell. So So we bought future. We sell 430 call option. We sell 440 call option, and we bought 395 put option. So you can buy 395 put option, or you can also buy 400 put option. Both strikes give same thing, but your downside risk will decrease in 400 compared to 395. So I prefer to go 395. Okay, so we can initiate this strategy. So if you have any query in this strategy, you can ask.
सर वो एसबीआई में नहीं बना रहे हैं आजकल?
एसबीआई में भी हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे। अभी हम इस बार में इसमें देख रहे थे, टाटा मोटर्स एक्चुअली ज्यादा स्टेबल है। अभी बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स में देख रहा था, आपने उसमें भी देखा काफी वोलेटाइल है।
करेक्ट।
तो हम एक बार वो भी चेक करेंगे। टाटा मोटर्स काफी स्टेबल रही है लाइक पूरे महीने, तो बहुत ज्यादा एडजस्टमेंट नहीं रहे। तो जितने कम से कम एडजस्टमेंट हमें करने पड़ेंगे ना, उतना ही ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। ओके, हम चेक करते हैं एसबीआई, एक्सिस बैंक, आईसीआईसी, एसबीआई,
All banking stocks at resistance, sir.
trading at resistance. And I think this is giving crash breakout. Axis Bank. Okay, so our like view, we follow the stock which is like bullish. So here you can see Axis Bank is bullish compared to ICICI and SBI. But actually, like the movement is very huge. So if we show some profit booking, then chances are high that it will like hit, it will come down and to fill this gap. So we need a stock which is more stable, like. So these types of high candles, maybe it's for like earning session candle.
I think SBI results is not out yet, right, sir?
SBI is, no, I think it's all out of 21st of October, ICIC, and for SBI result is on 4th November. So we can avoid the stock also where result is about to come. So either we can choose ICICI Bank or we can choose Axis Bank. Both looks good for me. ICICI is also like facing resistance. You can see some profit booking. So I'm expecting that it should remain in the range until it is not breaking the resistance of around like 7. Resistance is around like 936, or you can say 935 to 940 is the resistance zone. So you can keep this as a resistance zone. So until it is not breaking this range, it will remain in the range. So let's check both the stocks. Sorry, first we will check Axis Bank. So 5% of, so 5%, let's choose first calculate the 5% strike. 45. So 45 means 950, 960. So the rule is like premium should be around 22% of the strike price. So if we check the premium at 950 call option, so it should be around 19 rupees, but trading around 11 rupees. So premium is not good in Axis Bank. So let's look at ICICI Bank also. So 920, 950 premium is also not looking good. 12 rupees, we need around 90 rupees, 19 rupees. And if we create a strategy in ICICI Bank, let's look at what we are getting. Let's say 960. Lot size is 13. So downside risk is high compared to like Tata Motors. You can see 18,000 risk on the downside, and like our strike is around 3.48. So like that should be, we should keep our first hold strike around 5%. So if we keep at 5%, 760, so now it's around 5%, and we have to buy. So this has to be done, like you have to create this type of strategy, and it's not looking good, like, because you can see ICICI Bank is facing resistance, and you can expect some more downside here. So let's say if we are keeping 900 as a break even, so we have to switch our strikes little lower. We have to keep it little lower, let's say around 890, and then we have to move it here. And now risk is like very high, 940.
But Sachinji, that premiums are not at
Ah,
12%, right?
that's the reason. That's why I am showing you like because premium is not there. That's why we are not getting proper range and risk and reward ratio.
Okay.
So we have to find some other stocks like we can't trade in let's check in Axis Bank also giving the same premium. So we can't initiate in Axis Bank, nor we can create in the ICICI Bank. SBI has the like earning session on 4th of November. That too we should avoid. So now we have to find some other stock which is more stable and liquidity should be high in that stock. So if you can suggest some stock, we can check that stock also like.
Okay. So I'm actually just thinking, there is a Fed meeting next week, right?
Hmm.
So that time, if there is any, some correction, maybe that time, if we enter, we may have better chance, right? I'm just, thinking aloud.
Yes, obviously, because MIS is like unlimited risk strategy.
No,
So
no,
we
when
have to.
market comes a little bit down, then if we enter, we'll have better chances, right?
Okay, okay. But you will not get that much of premium at that time. Like when is the Fed meeting?
I think next week, I think.
3.
Yeah, second or third.
Okay, okay. So second and third is okay, but if we can't wait for more like many days, like
Yeah, yeah.
first second next week we can create. Next week we can create. But normally, like premium, you will not get that much of premium.
I got it. So otherwise, we need to go a little tight on the downside, like maybe a little closer to PE.
Yes, yes. We have to minimize the risk on the downside.
Yeah.
Let's look at SDFC Bank also. So what is the market is going? Okay. So let's check the trend one more time. So data is bullish and it is increasing. So we can hold the trade in Nifty, and Bank Nifty is also like in neutral trend. So like both the trade are look good so far. Okay, so let's check in SDFC Bank also. Premium is also not there. You can scan stocks based on the IVP also. So only PNB is giving more than 80 IVP. So volatility is low in most of the stocks. Like only PNB is above 80. Otherwise, Dr. Reddy is near to 80. Let's look at the chart. It's a high volatile stock, like let's say 5% movement here, around 3% movement here, 5% movement here, and here you can see like 5% downside, 5% downside.
This is a highly volatile stock, sir.
It's a highly volatile stock, so we can avoid this stock.
Sorry, M&M is good in terms of liquidity also.
Sorry.
Mahindra and Mahindra.
Okay, let's check the Mahindra and Mahindra chart. It's comparatively stable, and let's look at the option chain. But actually, problem is the liquidity. You are not getting that much of liquidity here. For FT, 20 rupees. Premium is also very low. If we keep 5%, 1320. So 60 rupees, 1480. The premium is very low actually in this stock. So 5% is around 3060, and 1360, 2% is around 26, 27, and premium is like trading around 21.
The main thing, the strike difference is 20, no, sir. Strike difference is not 10, it's 20.
Right.
Yeah.
So right now it is trading around 1300. So 5% of 1300 is like 60. So 3060 is like 5%. Seven six. So risk is like we are getting 23,000 rupees risk on the downside. P60. Their stock is also not looking good, because the reason is like the strike like difference is also like big in both the strikes, like 20 rupee difference, and not getting the good profit and loss, like risk and reward ratio. So like 4%. 1360 is around 4%. And 4% it can goes into 2 days only. Like, so we need a like more stable stock, like more stable, liquidity is high.
Yeah, IT stocks, sir, you want right?
We can check IT stock also. SL Tech. Tech Mahindra. Actually, IV is low in most of the stock, and that's why we are not getting the proper premium.
Yeah, the VIX is low, sir. That is the main reason.
So
Yeah, we need.
let's look at this 106, 106, 0.05%, 53 points. So 53. So it's like 1120 or 1100. Let's say 1100 for 2%. 22 rupees, we need 22 rupees, but trading around 19 rupees. And like the strike is very, like very near. Around 1120, we need around 22 rupees, but trading around 14 rupees. So we will not get that much of better risk and reward ratio. Tech Mahindra, future buy, sell, sell. Lot size is 600. You can create this strategy if you are bullish in Tech Mahindra. If you are expecting that Tech Mahindra will like go up, then you can create this type of strategy because your break even is like around 1068. So premium is around 40 rupees. Coal India is giving fresh breakout. Some others. Let's look at ITC also. Premium is very low in this stock also. Premium is very low in most of the stock. Like we need around 40 rupees, and this is trading around only for 40, 14.
Even this is 20 strike difference. In index you have not tried, sir? Nifty or Bank Nifty?
I don't think Nifty or Bank Nifty we will get that much of premium, because normally Nifty is not giving that much of premium, and Bank Nifty is like highly volatile, so I avoid Bank Nifty. So let's check that premium also. 1 second. Nine hundred 17. premium is very low actually. So Nifty is not giving that much of premium. That's why I'm not initiating the strategy in Nifty. You can't create a strategy in Nifty actually. Okay, so it's at 30 November.
Sir, can we check in Reliance also?
I find that we will check.
Nifty, what's the max loss, sir?
Sorry,
In Nifty, what you created just now, what was the max loss? That was looking decent, so I asked.
but actually range is very narrow. Like it's like our like first solid strike is around 2% only,
Okay, okay.
and we have whole month like.
Correct. Yeah.
Second thing, we can like calculate the monthly range. We can calculate the monthly range, and based on the first strike. But normally Nifty is not giving that much of premium actually. That's why I avoid taking trade in Nifty.
Okay.
There will be like lots of adjustments. Okay, let's check in Reliance also. So 25. So 2620. First order strike and premium should be around 2%, 52. Premium is low in this Reliance also. Like we need 52 rupees, and here we are getting 26 rupees. So if we create in Reliance,
Actually, you can change the settings so that you don't need to multiply that or divide by that.
Hmm.
The delta one, you're dividing by lot size, right? In the settings, if you change it, it will show in the left side, there's a settings, right? In front of Reliance thing, left side. Yeah, that
Okay,
thing.
from here.
And multiply by lots, undo it. Yeah.
Okay. So that- so like if we look at the chart, we can see like this can be the resistance zone. The 26202 2670 can be the resistance zone. So you can create this strategy if you are bullish. You are getting like 9,000 rupees loss on the downside and 25,000 is the profit on the upside, and like range is also like 4% from the current price. Although premium is low, but you can create the strategy like risk and reward ratio range is like favorable. Keep it at 260. So this is only this is you can create like you can you can buy 2,460 and you can sell 2,626.20. And if there is a downside moment, you can spare off these and you can sell 20 2,540 60. You can like bring it down like your sold strike, you can bring it down if like there is any downside moment. So you need around how much premium you need to minimize this loss. So I think lot size is 250. So you need around 25 rupees premium, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So we need 10,000 rupees. We need around 20 rupees, 25, no, not 25. We need around 40 rupees premium to minimize this risk. So can we get 40 rupees? So we can get 20 rupees from here. You can get 20 rupees Yes, we can get 20, 40 rupees premium, 35 to 40 rupees premium if there is any downside movement. So we can book profit in both the strike, and we can like shift it to the lower level while keeping this put as it is. So you can create this strategy like it's risk and reward ratio is favorable in this strategy. Delta is neutral. Upside range is like 4 to 5%. Downside is yes, we can create this strategy in Reliance.
Okay.
Let me try it. Save it to track. Now let's look at our trades.
Sir, you have taken for Tata Motors also.
Yes, Tata Motors and Reliance.
Okay. Because I joined late, can you please share that on the group, sir?
Okay, let me share it. Let's check the data. So data is still positive in Nifty, neutral in Bank Nifty. So we can hold these trades. That is the profit and loss. Let me share these trades. So let's create like weekly expiry strategy also. So we can check what is the OI data. For weekly expiry. So the major support and resistance is around like this is highest open interest is on put side is 17,700. So one more. Okay, so the highest open interest is 17,700, but I think PCR is 1.93 at 17,700. 17,600 and 17,500. And so we can say like 17,500 to 18,000 is the range for the weekly expiry. Okay, the weekly expiry. So we can create a strategy. So max pain is around like 17,800. So you can like create this strategy giving like good return, risk and reward ratio, and break even like 17,570 and 18,000. So we can do one more thing. If you want to keep your risk on the lower side, you can create this strategy, but you have to track 17,600 to 18,000 for this strategy. Your break even will be like 17,600 to 17,000, sorry, 18,000. So you can create this strategy in Nifty. And if there is any like gap down, breakdown from 17,600, you can like adjust the strategy. Or like you can get this strategy, or you can create a simple iron condor. For iron condor, let me save this strategy first. And second, you can create for 50, and let's say for iron condor, you have the same like risk and reward ratio. I think range is also same. You are getting 50 points additional, like 17,550 is your lowest break even, and upside break even 18,022. Max loss is around 38,000. Max profit is around like 3,614. So you can create this iron condor also. To adjust the strategy, you can like follow the adjustments we have shown in the theory class. Let me save this also. So I am creating these both strategy, and we will follow these strategies in the live sessions also. So if there is any adjustments required in the coming week, we will adjust the strategies also. Okay, now let's come to Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty highest open test around 40,000 and here 41,500. Now look at the chart also. We can see some profit booking, but still data is bullish, so we will hold the trade in Nifty. 750. 1 rupees loss we are getting over. So we can make to very. Okay, now let's look at the chart of bank. So based on the chart, you can see this is the like 40,850 is the support, and resistance is around 41,800. So if Nifty break 40,800, it can go till 40,000. Let's say 200. So what is the data showing? 40,000 and 41,500. 42,000. So our major range is around like 40,000 to 42,000. Let's create a strategy. Nowadays, I'm creating like trapdoor iron condor in Bank Nifty, which is giving good return and like giving the like a broad range. So for Bank Nifty, first thing we have to sell put 2 lots, and we have to buy call. We have to sell calls 2 lots. Okay, now we have to 300 points below. We have to buy one lot we have to sell, and then we can sell. So 41,000 point sell and buy this 4 lot. So this is the strategy. So the fund required is around 2 lakh rupees, and for 2 lakh rupees you are like getting I think 4% return, and like range is very broad. So break even is like 39,800, or you can say 39,900 and 42,100. So like 40,000 to 42,000 we are getting as a break even. And let's check if we can do some adjustments, or we can do some optimization, or 600. So we have 1,000 here. Okay, so this is the strategy you can create, and we will follow like 40,000 to 42,000 as a break even. So this candle, so this and this, these are our break evens. So I hope you understood the strategy, and if you have any query, you can ask. Like,
So this one in Bank Nifty, it is not very clear what we have done here. Can you please once again explain that?
one second.
Yeah.
So in trapdoor हम लोग क्या करते हैं? First we will sell like 1000 points away. Call option. First strike.
Okay. Mhm.
2 lots. Okay. Let's say right now trading around 41,000. So we will sell 42,000 call option, 2 strike and 500 points away we will buy 2 lots. ठीक है? So हमने क्या किया 42,000 सेल किया है कॉल ऑप्शन 2 लॉट और 2 लॉट 42,500 का बाई किया है. ठीक
Okay.
है?
Mhm.
तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 2 लॉट करते हैं, फिर हम आते हैं, फिर हम क्या करते हैं पुट सेल करते हैं 1000 पॉइंट बिलो 4 लॉट्स.
Mhm.
ठीक है? So 5,000 below is like 40,000 पे हमने क्या किया? सॉरी 40,000 पे हमने 4 लॉट पुट सेल की एंड 39,500 पुट हमने बाई की 4 लॉट. एंड हम थर्ड लेग इज लाइक वी बाई 300 पॉइंट्स बिलो 1 लॉट पुट ऑप्शन एंड we sell 400 points below 1 lot put option.
Okay.
So हमने क्या किया अभी आप यहाँ पे देखो हमने क्या किया 42,000 हमने कॉल सेल करी 2 लॉट 42,500 2 lots कॉल बाई की टू हैज दिस लेग 2 lots 40,700 हमने पुट सेल की बाई की 1 लॉट 40,600 पुट हमने सेल की 1 लॉट और फिर 4 lots हमने सेल किए 1000 पॉइंट below from the current price. So that is like 40,000 की हमने put 4 lot sell करी and 13,500 की 4 put buy की हमने उसको hedge करने के लिए.
Okay.
So our break even is like this and net credit we are getting around 8,000 rupees. So like 8,000 rupees is around and the capital required is like 2 lakh rupees. So it's like 4% return. Probability is 70% and we will like we will follow these break evens like we will follow these break evens or if any time if we are getting a loss of more than 8,000 rupees then we can close the strategy.
Okay. But sir, risk reward is not so good na in this one.
Risk reward
5%.
is not good but like if you are not doing anything then you will lose the entire capital but we will not like we will not हम लोग बैठे नहीं रहेंगे देखते नहीं रहेंगे कि
Right.
निफ्टी गिरता जाएगा तो हम लोग जैसे ही अगर हमें 8,000 का मैक्सिमम लॉस हो रहा है तो भी हम लोग एग्जिट कर देंगे या फिर हमारे ब्रेक इवन ब्रीच हो रहे हैं तब भी हम लोग इसका एग्जिट कर लेंगे.
Okay. Right.
So the logic is like 70% probability है तो 70% टाइम मार्केट इस ब्रॉड रेंज के अंदर ही एक्सपायर हो जाती है बैंक निफ्टी. So you will not require the adjustment और 70 times तो आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है और 30 times भी अगर आपको लॉस हो गया और अपने उसको बुक करके निकल गए तो फिर भी आप लाइक प्रॉफिटेबल रहोगे लाइक एंड ऑफ द मंथ लाइक.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
हम लोग इसमें एडजस्टमेंट्स नहीं करते कुछ भी हम लोग क्या करते हैं या तो पूरी पोजीशन को स्क्वायर ऑफ कर देंगे या फिर स्क्वायर ऑफ करके नई पोजीशन बना लेंगे नए लेवल्स के साथ.
Right. Yeah.
Sir, adjustments, what do you do in this actually?
We are not doing the adjustments actually. So either we will close the strategy or we will initiate a new strategy based on the current levels or that particular level. Like
Okay.
let's say Nifty is trading around 40,000, so we will like square of entire strategy and we will initiate a strategy based on the 40,000. So our break even like we will move to 39,000. So we will move this strategy from here to here. Like but obviously we will like if we are getting this breakdown in on like Tuesday or Wednesday, you will not get that much of premium. So if you are getting the like this breakdown or breakout in around like Wednesday or like second half of the Tuesday, you can close the strategy. You can book the loss and you can close the strategy. So we will follow all these strategies in the coming week also. So in the next session we have like intraday trades and these weekly positions. We will create few more like monthly strategies also. We will scan few stocks and we will create some monthly iron condor in the coming week. For the November expiry.
Yes, we can create in the next meeting, but I feel we should also have Bank Nifty monthly iron condor, which is easy to adjust, right?
Which is easy, but I think will you get that much of premium? Actually, risk and reward ratio is not. Let me check. Let me check. So this is what you can get like 40,000 for 6,000. This reward ratio is 50%. You can get this also like 40,000 to 41,750 and 40,300. But actually range is very narrow. Nowadays market is highly volatile, so 2% range is little narrow. That's why most of the time iron condor gives like negative return in bank nifty.
Okay.
In nifty you will get like 70% profitable. Iron condor in nifty 70% type profitable. But in bank nifty iron condor gives like 50 or 40% success rate.
Okay.
And the return is good in iron condor, but range is very narrow. So that's the reason it's creating loss, starting loss whenever we like reaches the stop loss, which is the like break even.
Okay. Yeah.
इसे थोड़ा सा मैंने एक बड़ी रेंज के साथ में थोड़ा ट्रेड करना इसके अंदर शुरू किया है क्योंकि काफी वोलेटाइल रहता है और लाइक अभी यहाँ पे आ जाएगा तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ इसमें एडजस्टमेंट्स करना ही पड़े और आपने एडजस्टमेंट्स किया और ये वापस रिकवर हो जाती है फिर तो आप या तो इसको इस तरह से ट्रेड करो कि लाइक ये मेरा मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट है, ये मेरा मैक्सिमम लॉस है और मैं इसको कुछ नहीं करूंगा, इसको छोड़ दूंगा बस ऐसे फिर कुछ एडजस्टमेंट नहीं करूंगा। लेकिन अगर इसमें कुछ एडजस्टमेंट्स करते हो आप तो क्या होगा कि आपकी ये रेंज यहाँ आ जाएगी और फिर ये वापस से रिकवर होगा ना तो फिर आपको लॉस होगा उसमें। और मोस्ट ऑफ द केस में यही होता है कि कभी आपको ब्रेकआउट मिलता है मंडे ट्यूसडे, फिर वो रिकवर हो जाता है वापस से उसी रेंज में एक्सपायर हो जाता है जहाँ पे फ्राइडे को जो उसने एक रेंज दिया।
ओके।
क्योंकि एक्सपायरी वीकली एक्सपायरी में ये लॉस भी रिकवर नहीं होता आपका, अगर आप उसको एडजस्ट करोगे ना तो ये भी आपका लाइक इसको आप न्यूट्रलाइज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि प्रीमियम नहीं बचता। और जैसा आजकल का मार्केट है थोड़ी सी अगर ब्रॉड रेंज के साथ हम लोग काम करेंगे तो वो थोड़ा इजी रहेगा उसको मैनेज करना। यू कैन चेक इन मंथली ऑल्सो, अगर मंथली में अगर हमें कुछ मिल रहा है तो। 43% की प्रोबेबिलिटी है यहाँ पे. You have to keep, I think, 39,000 and you have to sell 13,500. Or you have to sell 53. So this is what you have to keep, like 13,000 to 43,000. And you are getting 55% probability, but maximum profit and maximum loss is not available. निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में मंथली आयरन कॉन्डोर में नहीं मिलता एक्चुअली, कुछ प्रीमियम ज्यादा रहता नहीं है. That's why I prefer to initiate this iron condor in the stocks actually. स्टॉक्स में
Okay.
अच्छा प्रीमियम मिलता है और रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड रेशियो भी फेवरेबल होता है, रेंज भी आपको अच्छी मिल जाती है उसमें.
Right.
और अल्टीमेटली गोल तो हमारा यही है ना, रिटर्न हमें आना चाहिए. हमें निफ्टी में ट्रेड करना नहीं है, हमें जहां से अच्छा रिटर्न मिलेगा वहां पे ट्रेड करना है.
Right. Yeah.
स्टॉक्स में प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ एक है कि आप उसको ज्यादा स्केलेबल नहीं कर सकते. लाइक 3-4 लोड तक आप सेल कर सकते हो मैक्सिमम, उससे ज्यादा आप उसको नहीं कर सकते. निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में आप 1000 लोड भी सेल करोगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट ये फिर उसी हिसाब से आप उसको पोजीशन साइजिंग कर सकते हो. अपनी जो स्ट्रेटजीज हैं उसमें आप उतनी कैपिटल डिप्लॉय कर सकते हो पोजीशंस की तरफ.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
लाइक 4 to 5 स्ट्रेटजी आप बना लो मंथली में, और लाइक 3-4 लॉट के साथ एक एक स्ट्रेटजी. एक दिन हम लोग पोजीशन साइजिंग पे भी हम लोग बात करेंगे. एक दिन हम लोग अभी नवंबर में कैलेंडर बना रहा हूँ, उसमें पोजीशन साइजिंग का भी एक दिन रखेंगे हम, जिस दिन पोजीशन साइजिंग पे ही बात करेंगे.
Right. Yeah.
Okay guys, so let's check our intraday trades also.
One question, Sachinji.
Yes sir.
This monthly strategy, can we create such a way that if market moves some percentage either down or up, we should make money? So if market stays there, we'll lose. But if market moves either down or up, we should make money. This is a monthly strategy. So you'll have time so that market in a month, it may move, 5%, at least 5% it will move right in some direction.
So if you are good, so basically you will get money from the direction.
Yeah, direction is always, the thing, no doubt. But still, without finding direction, if it goes 5% down or 5% up, we should make money.
Okay. So you want to play against the delta, like?
Yeah, something, right. If there is a, at least 5% move, if it stays there in the same place, we'll lose,
Okay.
So for that, probably we can go with, weekly strategies to compensate regular iron condors. If it stays there, you make money there. If it moves out, monthly strategy should give you profit.
Okay. Like let me, I will work on it. And if we get something like this, I will definitely share. Like.
Okay, thank you.
And sir, how about selling multiple straddles on Friday? That is also on the weekly basis. Multi straddles for Nifty
For positional, right?
Positional, yes.
Actually, in straddles, there is a like if there is any like gap up or gap down. Actually, I prefer to keep limited risk on the overnight positions, like
Mm.
because we are living in a world when and like any day anything can happen. Like any day market can open 2% gap up and 2% gap down. So if we are creating a straddle and pretty multiple straddle,
Right.
तो जो लॉस आपको होगा ना वो एक ही ट्रेड में इतना बड़ा लॉस होगा कि आप उसको पूरा साल लग जाएगा रिकवर करने में और फिर भी पता नहीं कर पाओगे कि नहीं कर पाओगे।
Okay.
तो आप ये कर सकते हो, आप स्ट्रेडल सेल करो, बट जैसे ही शाम को लाइक 3:15 के बाद 3:25 या 3:20 पे आप उसको हेज करके चले जाओ और अगले दिन सुबह आके फिर से उसका हेज को स्क्वायर ऑफ कर दो।
Okay.
बट स्ट्रेडल को ओवरनाइट सेल करना और वो भी फ्राइडे को जिसमें 2 दिन अभी है और फिर लाइक बहुत बहुत ही रिस्की है वो। लाइक मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि अगर आप उसको बैक टेस्ट करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा आपको, बट अब कुछ भी हो सकता है। लाइक अगर कोई भी एक भी ट्रेड आपको मिल गया ऐसा जिस दिन आप एक अच्छा खासा गैप अप या गैप डाउन हो गया तो वो जो लॉस होगा ना वो इतना ज्यादा होगा कि उसको रिकवर नहीं कर सकते थे।
Okay.
तो अभी हम कमा तो रहे हैं थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा, लेकिन चला जाएगा बहुत सारे एक साथ।
Right.
तो इसलिए रिस्क मैनेजमेंट जरूर होना चाहिए। लाइक रिस्क मैनेजमेंट जरूर होना चाहिए। हम कमाएं हम चाहे कम, बट हमारा लॉस बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए।
Right.
अगर हम 10 रुपए कमा रहे हैं 2 रुपए कमाएंगे चलेगा, बट अगर हमारा लॉस 10 रुपए हमारा मैक्सिमम फिक्स है तो 10 से हमारा 12 नहीं होना चाहिए वो।
Okay.
तो सबसे पहले रिस्क मैनेजमेंट है, उसके बाद फिर आप पहले अपना लॉस को मिनिमाइज करो, फिर उसके बाद आप सोचो कि अब मैं इसको प्रॉफिटेबल कैसे बनाऊं। तो मल्टीपल स्ट्रेडल के बजाय आप मल्टीपल आयरन आयरन फ्लाइज बना सकते हो। अभी जैसे हमें बनाना हो लेट्स से एक आयरन फ्लाई हमने बनाई लेट्स से 41,000 पे, आप दूसरी इनिशिएट कर दो उसके साथ। एक 41,000 पे एक 42,000 पे आप सेल क्रिएट कर दो। फोर वन फोर सेवन ये बाई, सॉरी ये बाई किया और यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया, ये बाई किया। तो आप इस तरह से कर सकते हो एक्चुअली चाहो तो अब आपको जो प्रॉफिट वहां मिल रहा है वो यहाँ भी मिलेगा। रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड रेशियो, यहाँ पर रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड रेशियो बहुत आपका लाइक फेवरेबल हो जाएगा। और एक चीज और भी यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना कि जब भी शुरू मतलब इनिशियल पे जितनी आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी सिंपल रहेगी तब उतनी चीजें आपको ज्यादा समझ में आएंगी। अगर आप एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्ट्रेटेजी बना लोगे ना तो उसको एडजस्टमेंट करना ही बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा। तो अब इस
लेकिन
टाइप
सर
की
इसका ये
बनाने की हाँ
इसका जो पीओपी है वो ओनली 30% दिख रहा है यहाँ पर, राइट?
हाँ, जो आयरन कॉन्डोर होगा आयरन कॉन्डोर का जो वो है वो 30% के आसपास ही आता है। अभी लेट से मैं इसको स्क्वायर ऑफ कर दूं, ये स्क्वायर ऑफ कर दूं, ये स्क्वायर ऑफ कर दूं, तो ये 29% ही आता है, लाइक जो आयरन कॉन्डोर होता है, आयरन बटरफ्लाई जो है, आयरन बटरफ्लाई का जो पीओपी है वो लाइक 30% ही आता है।
Okay.
अभी क्या देखो क्या होता है, प्रॉफिट एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड रेशियो दोनों सिंक्राइजेशन में चलते हैं। लाइक अगर आप अपना रिस्क बढ़ाते जाओगे, लाइक लेट से आपने अपनी प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ाई, जितना प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ाओगे उतना ही आपका मैक्स लॉस बढ़ता जाएगा और मैक्स प्रॉफिट कम होता जाएगा। जो मैक्स जितना ये बढ़ेगा उतना ये कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि स्प्रेड सेम है आपकी। आपको लॉस कैसे मिल रहा है, आपको लॉस क्या मिल रहा है, जितनी आपकी स्प्रेड है, लेट से 500 पॉइंट की स्प्रेड है यहाँ पे, उसमें से जो क्रेडिट मिल रहा है आपको उसको माइनस कर दो, जो जो बचेगा वो लॉस है। ठीक है, अभी 500 पॉइंट की स्प्रेड है यहाँ पे, तो उसमें टोटल कितना मिल रहा है, आप इसको मैनुअल भी कैलकुलेट करने जाओ ना तो मैनुअल भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो आप इसको। अभी यहाँ पे कितना, इन दोनों को बेच के एक इस लेग में आपको कितना मिल रहा है, 461.2 माइनस 238.8। सो ये एक लेग से मिला आपको, ठीक है, 222। सेम ऑलमोस्ट इतना ही इधर से मिल रहा है आपको। ठीक है, तो लेट से मोटा मोटा वगैरह बात करें तो आपको 500 की तो स्प्रेड है, और उसमें से आपको क्रेडिट कितना मिल गया, 400। ठीक है, तब क्या हो गया, आपका 100 रुपए का मैक्सिमम लॉस है, 400 का मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट है। ऑलमोस्ट यही आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा। ठीक है, तो स्प्रेड सेम रहती है, तो जितना आपका क्रेडिट कम होता जाएगा उतना आपको मिलता जाएगा। अच्छा, अभी क्या होगा, जितना आप इसको दूर जाते जाओगे, जितना दूर जाते जाओगे उतना ही जो क्रेडिट है आपको जो मिल रहा है अभी वो कम होता जाएगा। अभी वो कम होता जाएगा, क्रेडिट आपका कम होता जाएगा। अभी 400 से वो आ जाएगा 350, 350 आ गया तो ये 150 हो जाएगा, वो 300 हो गया तो ये 200 हो जाएगा। तो क्या हो रहा है, क्रेडिट जो कम हो रहा है उसकी वजह से आपका रिस्क बढ़ता जाएगा। ठीक है, उतनी आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ती जाएगी। फिर आपको इस तरह से बनाना है कि ये तीनों आपकी फेवरेबल रहे, तीनों चीजें। और या फिर आपका व्यू ये है कि मुझे तो बस ये रेंज, फिर ये ब्रेक इवन की रेंज क्या आ रही है, आपको इसी रेंज में अगर ट्रेड करना है तो आप इस टाइप से बनाओगे। लाइक तो तीन चीज हो गई यहाँ पे, एक तो रेंज क्या है आपकी, उसके बेस पे आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकलेगी, और फिर आपका रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड रेशियो क्या है।
Okay. Yeah.
ओके, तो अभी हमारा निफ्टी का जो ट्रेंड है वो चेंज हो गया है, निफ्टी का ट्रेंड हो गया है न्यूट्रल, and bank nifty is also neutral. So we will do the adjustments and we can spare of 50% quantity in 750 and we will convert it into like strangle. So we will sell, let's say what is the resistance. So first resistance is around this and second is this. So we do the adjustments in Nifty trade. We square 50% of the quantity in 7,500 and we will sell the 50% quantity of 18,000 call option and convert it into the strangle. So now we have a strangle in both the states, Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if data will change, we will do further adjustments. So if you have any query, you can ask, or we can wind up the session and we will meet on Monday. And if there is any change in the data and we will do some adjustments, I will share in the WhatsApp group.
Sure. Thanks, Sachinji.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome, Puneet.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.